Question number 3 deals with accuracy and precision. Accuracy is when you measure the length of something. It has a true value, 1. 2, you find measured value, that is by some experiment you measure its length. So there is some error. True value is different from measured value in most of the cases. There is small error. If the error is less, accuracy is more. If error is more, accuracy is less. That means what? Accuracy determines how close a measured value is to the true value. So, what is accuracy? Accuracy is extent to which a reported measurement approaches the true value of the quantity. It is extent to which a measured value approaches true value. As an example, there is a rod, say this marker. Its actual length, true value of length is 2.7. So what is the true value? Yes, 2.7 centimeter. Student number 1. By some experiment measures the length and declares length to be 2.8 centimeter. What is error? Magnitude of the error is 0.1 centimeter. Student number 2 measures the length to be 2.9 centimeter. What is the magnitude of the error? Yes, actual is 2.7, measured is 2.9, difference is what? 0.2 centimeter. Student number 2, error is more, accuracy is less. So student number 2, accuracy is less as error is more. So accuracy deals with what? Accuracy means the extent to which a measured value approaches a true value. If a measured value and true value are equal, error is 0 and accuracy is a maximum.